So welcome back, guys. First of all, let us go through the toolings that is needed for here. Let me stop my server and clear the screen. So you can do npx react, npx create react app, create create react app, and my app or whatever name you want to put. So that is how you do a create react app. You can see the documentation of React, and once you have done that, you can do installation of React spinners, where you can add yarn add React spinners or npm install React spinners. So you need to have this React spinners library. So let's acknowledge David Hu for giving us this wonderful library. Then what more we want is I have given the link of this FreeCodeCamp in the code, so you can go to that and read it also. Then you can go to Spruce's website, is very good. And then this is the code pen that Spruce has given us, and all the CSS has been taken from here because we won't be focusing in the CSS. So CSS just acting in the background for us to give a nice display and layout. So first of all, I will tell you what happened here. You see, for example, let's go into the code. I'm opening the code in VS Code, and you can see my code here. The app.css is containing all the Spruce CSS as per the code camp. And then here we are going to have the React spinners. So for example, I will show you Pacman loader, which you have already seen. So let's do the ring loader and clock loader. So where is the loader? Let's go into the loader first before I explain to you the code. So here is the loader. So I will close the Pacman loader first, and let me show you the ring loader. Let's reload it. Yeah, because it's not showing the site because I not yet done the npm run start. Will be given a different tab. Okay, let's close that. Let's refresh here. This is the ring loader. And you see it's so beautiful, right? Load about 20 seconds, and I'll show you how I do that. So we'll be focusing portion by portion. Currently we are going to focus on the React spinners, which is called loaders in short form by me. Okay, so how do we generate the loaders? First of all, we got a use effect here. Can you see the use effect with the set timeout? I'll make it a little bigger. Probably we'll be using this file only, so I can have a full screen with a bigger font for you guys to see. So this set timeout is a basic function, and it is calling the get flags. Whenever use effect is loaded, that means when the page is loaded, it will call this get flags. And for your information, this flag data is taken from this JSON file that Spruce has given. And in later version, that is the free code camp that I have given here, he's telling that it is better to go for country API, but currently I'm not using country API as this is working for me. So there is a 20-second delay. 20 times 1000, that is 20 milliseconds. So we get the get flags here, right? So the get flags function is loaded. So how do we see that? So let's Control Shift I, where we are going to see that in action. So first of all, this spinner is loaded, and then only get flags will be called. So you can see here, watch here carefully, and then once the loader is completed, you'll see the console here. Yeah. You saw that, right? It's somewhere here at the first. So you can see here get flags function is loaded. That's what we see here. And then once the function is loaded, what is happening? Let's see. Get flags. Here is the function. Is an async function, and we are fetching from this HTTPS the raw data, which is JSON file, and then this is the common structure for fetch. We have to response.json, and finally we'll call the result, which is loaded as a state variable in set is loaded, which becomes true because set is loaded is false initially. As you can see, that is the one which stops the spinner from spinning and shows the result, which is the data. So set items will become, will carry the result from the fetch function. So once that is done, we'll have the error. So there's a very beautiful bird that is shipping out of my room. So that makes it very enjoyable for me to present you guys also, because I hear the nature's call. Thank you for that bird. He makes a lot of good sound. He's a very tiny bird, but his sound is very good, powerful. Probably same like React. The library is so powerful. So set loaded is true and set error. So if there is any error which is not usually happening, we could see the set error coming out. Probably what we can do is let's console this item, because this is the long list which we have seen here. We can activate it later. So let's see, let's generate some error and see what is happening. So probably I am spruce here. Let's put like that. So there is no, this API cannot work because we typed it wrongly purposefully. So let's clear the console and let's refresh. So the error should be coming out because we are unable to fetch the data. Let's see it first in action. Probably I am stopping this here. We will continue in the next episode soon. So let's see the action first. Yeah, we got a get error here. And syntax error, unexpected not white space after a character. So this is the data which we are getting as the error. So once we delete this here from the spruce, we should be able to get the data back. Gotta wait about 20 seconds again. Meanwhile, as a finishing touch, let me show you the other loader, so which is the clock loader. So let's close this and let's release the clock loader from the comments. So you can see here the clock loader is loading. I'll show you one more time. Let's close this console. Data being loaded, please wait with the clock loader. We will catch together in the next episode. Thank you guys. Bye bye.